If you like Ben Bernanke, chances are you'll also like Janet Yellen. President Obama's pick as the next Federal Reserve chief defended the central bank's very loose monetary policy of bond purchases at her confirmation hearing before the Senate Banking Committee.
I consider it imperative that we do what we can to promote a very strong recovery.
In balanced remarks delivered in a calm demeanor, Yellen said the bond purchases could not last forever. But she gave no hints of when the Fed would scale back its stimulus program, saying, as her boss did, that it depends on future data. Moody's Analytics chief economist John Lonsky.
She seems to be very unsatisfied with the labor market situation. Yellen believes that there is a significant underutilization of the labor force. There's room for improvement on that front, and that what provides the Fed with more than enough flexibility to continue to supply stimulus.
How many rate increases you have voted for during your term on the Federal Reserve?
I believe 20 or more.
20 or more. I think it was maybe 27 or so.
It could be.
And how many have you voted against?
None.
Okay.
Yellen admitted that the stimulus may have boosted stock prices, but she didn't see a bubble in equities or real estate. Investors liked what they heard. Stocks, which were flat just before her testimony began, shot up nearly 0.5% during her 2 hours on the stand. Bonds also rose. Reuters Fed watcher Alistair Bull says Yellen gained respect through her poised performance under the media glare.
Financial markets, I think, were interested to see how she stood up to that strain. Remember, she's going to be the crisis manager if and presumably when the Fed has to confront the next crisis. And that performance, I think, will give them some confidence that she is going to be calm and will be able to handle it.
Analysts predict she'll win confirmation, making the former economics professor the world's most powerful woman in the history of finance.